Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Flick account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Flick account, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address flick.social and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Flick like this. Over here guys, you can see the sign in button and the try for free button available at the top right corner of the screen. If you have not yet created an account on Flick, simply click on try for free button and you will be taken to the registration process of Flick in order to create a Flick account. And with that being said, let's click on sign in. And over here guys, you can log into your Flick account from over here, but let's just go to the end of this page where you can see there is the continue with Facebook, Google and Apple button available. If you click on either of these three buttons, a login page to Facebook, Google or Apple will open, and if you log into your respective accounts, you will be signed into your Flick account with your Facebook, Google or Apple account respectively. And with that being said guys, let's enter our email address like this. Enter your full address, and after that enter your password with which you have created an account on Flick. But before that guys, if you have forgotten your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says the reset password. If you click on that, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to reset your Flick account's password. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on login button available over here, and then you'll be signed into your Flick account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.